Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Xiaomi 13T Pro, a smartphone that promises flagship-level features without the hefty price tag. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, Xiaomi has made some interesting choices here. The 13T Pro comes in a glass or vegan leather finish, which not only looks premium but also feels great in hand. The standout for me is the Alpine Blue variant with its BioComfort vegan leather, offering a unique and comfortable grip. However, one thing you'll notice right away is the sizable camera bump on the back. While it houses impressive Leica-tuned cameras, it does make the phone wobble a bit on flat surfaces unless you use the included clear case. Moving on to the display, the 6.67-inch AMOLED panel on the 13T Pro is a stunner. It supports up to 144Hz refresh rate with HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're gaming or watching movies, this display doesn't disappoint. Plus, with its adaptive refresh rate, it balances performance and battery life efficiently. Under the hood, Xiaomi has packed the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. This setup ensures smooth performance across the board, from multitasking to gaming. Speaking of gaming, the 13T Pro handles intensive games with ease, thanks to its optimized performance settings and minimal battery drain. Now, let's talk about the cameras. Xiaomi partnered with Leica for the 13T Pro's triple camera setup. Featuring a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 50 megapixels telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera. The results are impressive, with detailed shots and good color accuracy, especially considering its price range. It also supports 10-bit log video capture, enhancing its versatility for videography. However, low-light photography and selfie capabilities could use some improvement. In dim conditions, there's noticeable noise and color inaccuracies, and selfies lack detail compared to some competitors. Battery life is where the 13T Pro shines. With a hefty 5000 mAh battery and blazing fast 120W wired charging, you'll spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. It's disappointing, though, that wireless charging isn't included, which might be a deal-breaker for some users. On the software side, the 13T Pro runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS based on Android 14. It offers a clean, responsive interface with promising performance improvements over previous versions. Xiaomi promises 4 major Android updates, ensuring longevity and keeping the phone up to date with the latest features. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 13T Pro delivers a near-flagship experience at a competitive price point. It excels in areas like display quality, performance, and battery life, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to get the most value out of their smartphone purchase. However, its quirks like the camera bump and lack of wireless charging might sway some potential buyers. That wraps up our review of the Xiaomi 13T Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.